the black hole universe theory. What if there's a more elegant explanation, one that doesn't require inventing new particles or mysterious forces? A radical alternative, championed by physicist Nikodem Popławski, proposes that our universe was born inside a black hole within a much larger parent universe. This idea flips our perspective on cosmic origins entirely. Instead of a singularity appearing from nothing, the theory suggests a physical process, the gravitational collapse of matter in a parent universe. Think of it like a star many times the mass of our sun collapsing to form a black hole, but on a cosmic scale. In this model, what we perceive as the Big Bang was actually the moment our universe formed inside that parent black hole. This framework elegantly resolves the issue of what came before the Big Bang, as the parent universe provides a clear preceding state. This cyclical model redefines our cosmic address, demoting our entire universe from everything that is to just one bubble in a potentially infinite cosmic foam. It also provides a physical source for the energy and matter in our universe, sourcing it directly from a pre-existing parent cosmos. In essence, the matter that makes up you, me, and the stars didn't appear from nothing, but was recycled from a previous cosmic iteration.